Good morning, beautiful people! I am Charli Marie Cupin, and I'm a spray paint artist. This painting for today, you guys, you may have seen it quite a few times on social media. I had to do it because I'm in love with the picture, just in general, and I wanted to do kind of like my own version, but different colors. So, here is the painting for today. Do I have it in frame?
Yeah, just a little crooked.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you smack that like button, comment below, and if you're new to this channel, don't you dare forget to subscribe. You all have a beautiful day, peace, love, and all the above. Woo! Woo. Because I'm happy. Woo.
Just look me in the eye, carelessly. Trace me down like light. I'll find what's left. My heart beats in triplets. My heart beats in we're almost there. On the other side of dawn, our heads swirl with joy, but our bodies frown. As we closer to touch the sounds, we're pulled by gravity, like leaves craving for a solid ground. You will never again look me in the eye. My heart beats in triplets. I heard you under the weight of the sun, leaves rustling, and a whistle so easy. I thought I'd burn my eyes. When I looked up, I saw you there, blue and beautiful.
beautiful day. Peace, love, and all the above. Yeah! Peace!